as we can see here, this is the physical implementation of MATLAB Simulink based model project of solar tracker. So this is my solar panel, which is mounted on a servo motor, which is powered by Arduino. And here is my light sensor, light detector LDR, which is used for the purpose of detecting a threshold value or more value of sunlight falling on the solar tracker, solar panel. So when I flash a torch at my solar panel, I will expect my light sensor to detect that light and use the programming of Arduino to stop the solar tracker, which is rotating from east to west about 180 degree in the similar manner in which our sun rotates with respect to earth. So it is rotating in such a way so that it may detect sunlight present, threshold value of sunlight which is present at any direction. So let's say I on my torch and we will see. So at midway I on my torch and the LDR detected the sunlight and my solar tracker stopped rotating, because at this point the a threshold value of sunlight is being flashed on the solar panel. If I now rotate my sunlight, then the solar panel will rotate again to find the position which is best suitable for the threshold value to cross. Now if I close my sunlight, I expect my solar tracker to rotate again and find in which direction the threshold value of sunlight is being found. So as we can see, it starts rotating again. Then do it once again. So here it is stopped. Now if I move it away, so we can see that as the light moves, the solar panel follows, solar tracker is following the light because it wants to cross a threshold value and it rotates to find out that threshold value. Now it again gets its threshold value, and if now I close my torch, or which is sunlight in this case, so I expect it to rotate again.